Hello and welcome to Free Dictionary Friday. I'm ETETutor and in this video I'm having a look at spelling bee, which can be quite challenging on the free dictionary, mainly because there's so many different words that can fit the definitions that we're given. So today we've got a verb, so a doing word, and it is to unite into one system or whole, to combine. So there's loads of things I'm thinking when we look at that we're uniting in one system. So the word I'm going to try is the word collate. So if you've got loads of different information and you want to combine it, get it all together, you could say that you want to collate that information. Let's have a look, see if that's the word they've gone for or if it's something else. I don't know. Amalgamate could work. Let's have a look. Oh, consolidate. So very close there. If we have a look at that word, hopefully we might see my word collate in the synonyms. Oh, where are they? Here we go. No, but we can see that we've got a lot of words here. Combine, bringing together, compound, conjoin, connect. So lots of these do relate to this idea of bringing things together. All right then, I hope that's helped and you've learnt a couple of new words there. If you do have a go at spelling bee and you get it right, definitely tweet me at ETETutor. You can share your correct responses if you get it correct over once you've first had a go at it. And so it'll come up here. If you mark it for at ETETutor, that would be fab. I'd love to hear how you're all getting on. Alright then, thanks as always for watching and I'll see you again on another Friday.